Hey guys, it's Michael here from Happy English. For today's English lesson, let's take a look at 5 different ways that we can use to. To is an adverb that shows negative feelings about the word that it modifies. For example, it's too cold today. Too cold modifies cold. The difference between too and very is that very cold just has a neutral nuance. It's very cold today, but it's too cold today shows some kind of negative feeling about the weather. That's the basic meaning and nuance of to. Now, let's check out 5 different ways that we can use this word. We use to followed by an adjective. It's too cold today. Yeah, it's too cold today. I can't go to the gym because I am just too tired. Oh, I am too tired to go to the gym. Emily said she wanted to go there, but it's too far. I think it's too far for Emily. Next, we can use to followed by an adverb. They walk too slowly. Oh my goodness, they walk too slowly. I think the new teacher speaks too quickly. What do you think? Yeah, some people said that the new teacher speaks too quickly. Oh man, traffic is moving too slowly this morning. Traffic is moving too slowly. I'm gonna be late. Next, we can use much to followed by an adjective or much to followed by an adverb. I can't go to the gym today because I am much too tired. Not too much tired. Much too tired. I can't go to the gym today because I am much too tired. I think Emily wanted to go there, but she said it was much too far. Emily wants to go, but she said it's much too far. Not too much far. Much too far. Next, we can use too many followed by a countable noun, or too much, followed by a non-countable noun. There are too many snowstorms in the winter here. Oh man, there are too many snowstorms in the winter here. Nicole said she has too many bills to pay this month. She said she has too many bills to pay this month. Eating too much junk food is not good for your health. Don't eat too much junk food. Jack is always on YouTube. He has too much free time. That guy has too much free time. And lastly, we can use too much after a verb. I'm a little worried about Tommy. He smokes too much. Oh man, that guy smokes too much. He smokes way too much. I think Vincent works too much. Vincent needs a rest. He works too much. He totally works too much. Don't you think Jenny talks too much? That girl talks way too much. She's a nice person, but she talks too much. She talks too much. How about you? Do you know anyone that walks too slowly or talks too much? Do you eat too much junk food or too many snacks? Why not leave a comment below and let us know, and I'll see you next time right here at Happy English. Bye guys!